Friends, after completing the total basics in organic chemistry, we are going to start a new lesson in organic chemistry, that is halogen derivatives of different hydrocarbons and different compounds. Okay. So what are halogen derivatives? Consider if it is an alkane. If hydrogen atom from alkane is removed, replaced by halogen atom. Hydrogen is removed and halogen is added. We get the compound alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. For example, in case of methane, if hydrogen is removed by fluorine, we get methyl chloride. If two hydrogen atoms are removed by two chlorine, we get methylene dichloride. If three hydrogen atoms are removed by three halogen, we get chloroform. If four hydrogen atoms are removed by 4 chlorine, we get carbon tetrachloride. Okay, what are the names? Methyl chloride, methylene dichloride, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride. The IUPAC names of these compounds are chloromethane, dichloromethane, trichloromethane, tetrachloromethane. Tetrachloromethane. Common names are methyl chloride, methylene dichloride, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride. IUPAC names are chloromethane, dichloromethane, trichloromethane, tetrachloromethane. Okay, these are all halogen derivatives, chloroderivatives of methane. Similarly, the different halogen derivatives of ethane can be drawn. Another halogen derivatives are like this. This is benzene. It contains a carbon hydrogen pair at every corner. If one hydrogen atom is removed by bromine, we get bromobenzene. Bromobenzene. It is an aromatic compound, falls in the class haloarenes. Haloarenes. These are haloalkanes. These are haloarene. So such type of the different types of halogen derivatives can be drawn. So the halogen derivatives are classified as aliphatic and aromatic halogen derivatives. The next classification is, they are classified as monohalogen derivatives, dihalogen derivatives, trihalogen derivatives, and polyhalogen. After tri, there will be tetra, penta. Okay. So finally, I write it as polyhalogen derivatives. The halogen derivatives which contain only one halogen atom are called as monohalogen derivatives. For example, bromomethane, methyl bromide, or vinyl chloride, or allyl chloride. All these are monohalogen derivatives. Now, dihalogen derivative. Methylene dibromide. This is ethylene dibromide. Again for tri, yes, this is chloroform. This is iodoform. Okay, this is chloroform, this is iodoform. IUPAC name of chloroform is trichloromethane. IUPAC name of iodoform is triiodomethane. Similarly, we can draw different polyhalogen derivatives like this. This compound is hexachlorocyclohexane. Hexachlorocyclohexane. Okay. So the halogen derivatives are the most reactive organic compounds that does not found in nature. The most reactive organic compounds obtained by replacing hydrogen atoms from different hydrocarbons by same number of halogen atoms. Obtained by replacing hydrogen atoms from different hydrocarbons by same number of halogen atoms. Here it is, we replace hydrogen by bromine. Here also we replace hydrogen by bromine. Here 6 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 6 chlorine atoms. Okay. So the halogen derivatives are the compounds obtained by replacing hydrogen atoms by same number of halogen atoms. Okay. Now the halogen derivatives are classified as monohalogen derivatives, dihalogen derivatives, trihalogen derivatives, and polyhalogen derivatives. Now the monohalogen derivatives are further classified as saturated halides, unsaturated halides. Saturated contain all carbon-carbon single covalent bonds. Simple example is methyl chloride, methyl iodide, iodomethane, ethyl bromide, bromoethane. Okay. In unsaturated, again the different classes as vinylic halides and allylic halides. Vinylic halides and allylic halides. So what is vinylic carbon? The sp2 hybridized carbon. The sp2 hybridized carbon is called as vinylic carbon. And if the halogen atom is attached to the vinylic carbon, the compound will be vinylic halide. This is vinyl chloride. Similar example. Okay. Now allylic halide. Which is allylic carbon? The carbon atom, the sp3 hybrid carbon next to the sp2 hybrid carbon. The sp3 hybrid carbon next to the sp2 hybrid carbon is called as allylic carbon. And in this case, the halide will be allylic halide. For example, this is allyl chloride. The IUPAC names of these different compounds we will study in our further lecture. So what are halogen derivatives? The compounds obtained by replacing hydrogen atoms from hydrocarbons by same number of halogen atoms are called as halogen derivatives. Okay. Different types of halogen derivatives are present. Halogen derivatives of alkanes, halogen derivatives of arenes, halogen derivatives of alkenes. Okay. Now the halogen derivatives are further classified as monohalogen derivatives, dihalogen derivatives, trihalogen derivatives, and polyhalogen derivatives. If they contain one halogen atom, they are monohalogen derivatives. If they contain two halogen atoms, they are dihalogen derivatives. If they contain three halogen atoms, they are trihalogen derivatives. For 4, tetrahalogen. For 5, pentahalogen. So last class I read here polyhalogen derivative. Okay. Now the monohalogen derivatives of hydrocarbons are further classified as saturated and unsaturated. That is, the insaturated hydrocarbon, there is no double or triple covalent bond is present. Okay. Simply alkyl halides are the saturated halides. Okay. In case of unsaturated halide, we have different cases for direct double bonded carbon and the single bonded carbon or sp3 carbon next to the sp2 carbon. If direct sp2 carbon is known as vinylic carbon, okay, and the sp3 carbon attached to the sp2 carbon is known as allylic carbon, okay. If halogen group is present on vinylic carbon, the halide is vinylic halide. If halogen group is present on allylic carbon, the halide is allylic halide. Apart from that, one next class is also there. The carbon atom next to the benzene nucleus. All carbon in benzene are sp2. Okay, and the carbon next to the sp2 carbon is called as allylic carbon. But in such type of chain, open chain, in case of carbon atom, if in a case carbon atom is attached to sp2 hybrid carbon of benzene, then such carbon is called as benzelic carbon. Such carbon is called as benzelic carbon. And the last class of the compound is benzelic halide. Such compounds are benzelic halide. Okay. Now again I repeat. The different organic compounds obtained by replacing hydrogen atoms from different hydrocarbon by same number of halogen atoms are called as halogen derivatives. They are further classified as monohalogen derivatives, dihalogen derivatives, trihalogen derivatives, and polyhalogen derivatives. Again, the monohalogen derivatives are further classified as saturated, unsaturated. Okay, saturated are, in simple words, saturated are alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. Okay. In unsaturated, the halogen atom, double or triple bond is present in this compound. If halogen atom is directly attached to the sp2 hybrid carbon, if halogen atom is directly attached to the sp2 hybrid carbon, then it is vinylic halide. If halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybrid carbon next to the sp2 hybrid carbon, then the halides are allylic halide. If halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybrid carbon which is next to the benzene nucleus, then halides are benzelic halides. Benzelic halides. Okay. Again I repeat. Directly sp2 carbon is vinylic carbon. Note down. The carbon atom sp3 carbon next to the sp2 carbon, direct sp2 carbon is vinylic carbon. Okay. The sp3 carbon next to the sp2 carbon is allylic carbon, and the sp3 carbon next to the benzene nucleus is benzelic carbon. From that, if halogen group is present on sp2, then it is vinylic halide. Halogen group is present on sp3 next to the sp2, then it is allylic halide. And halogen group is present on sp3 carbon next to the benzene nucleus, then compound will be benzelic halide. Okay. This is all about the classification of halogen derivatives as mono, di, tri, poly, and the monohalogens are further classified as saturated, unsaturated. Unsaturated are further classified as vinylic, allylic, benzelic. Okay. Apart from that, the saturated halides are further classified on the basis of carbon atoms. As primary, secondary, and tertiary. We all know that the carbon atom attached to only one other carbon atom. The carbon atom attached to only one other carbon atom is primary. These also primary. This carbon is also primary. This one is secondary. As it is attached to two other carbon atom, it is secondary carbon. And this carbon is tertiary carbon. Apart from that, if carbon is attached to four carbon atoms, then the carbon will be quaternary carbon. Carbon will be quaternary carbon. The carbon attached to only one other carbon atom is called as primary. The carbon atom attached to two other carbon atom is called as secondary. The carbon atom attached to three other carbon atom is tertiary, and the carbon atom attached to four different carbon atoms is quaternary carbon. Okay, from there only primary, secondary and tertiary can be classified. Suppose monohalogen derivatives of alkanes are alkyl halides. Okay, then what are primary, secondary and tertiary? Take a look at the examples. This one will be primary. Why? As bromine is present on primary carbon atom. This one will be secondary. Why? As iodine is present on secondary carbon atom. And the last one, this one will be tertiary. Why? Because bromine is present on tertiary carbon atom. This carbon is attached to three other carbon atom. This carbon is attached to two other carbon atom. This carbon is attached to only one other carbon atom. Therefore, it is primary carbon, it is secondary carbon, and it is a tertiary carbon. Therefore, these alkyl halides are primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, and tertiary alkyl halide. Okay, this is all about the classification of halogen derivatives. Thank you, friends.